Do you need extra funds but lack the time or skills to obtain a part-time job? If this describes you, you might want to consider using one of the many money-making applications available to give your wallet a boost. There are a surprising number of money-making apps that allow you to work from home. You can be paid directly through PayPal, receive free gift cards to your favorite stores, or receive cashback on all your transactions. Companies are eager to get new app users, and they'll pay you for it for using their app. It definitely won't hurt to make a little extra money while you're on your phone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top 7 apps to make money in 2022. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips to make money online. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. The first app we're going to look at is Rakuten. Users can search and buy using in-store and online exclusive discounts, scan things to compare prices, and get money back on specific purchases from merchants like Macy's, Marriott, and Sephora using Rakuten, formerly known as Ibotta. Users have the option of using the mobile app or a browser extension to shop. This is how it works. To begin shopping, you must first create a free account and then download the app or extension. When you shop from Rakuten's list of 3,500 plus qualified shops, you'll get a percentage of your cashback when you make a purchase. While most purchases yield between 1% and 2% cashback, depending on what you buy, you may earn as much as 10%. By signing up for the Rakuten credit card, you may be able to receive additional cashback. New users can also receive a $10 welcome bonus if they spend at least $25 on eligible items during the first 90 days of signing up. If you earn at least $5 in cashback, you will receive a payout every 3 months. You have the option of receiving your payments via PayPal or a physical check in the mail. Number 2. Healthy Wage. If you're attempting to lose weight and need some extra encouragement, how about winning $10,000 in the process? Healthy Wage is one of the few applications that pays you to reduce weight and offers a range of ways to earn money. You can either take on a weight loss challenge on your own or join a team challenge to encourage each other to lose weight. The minimal weight loss target is 10%. If you lose 10% of your body weight in 6 months, you may earn up to $300 through Healthy Wage's 10% challenge, depending upon how many friends you invite to participate. Healthy Wage is better than those at work pools, where people don't pay up, or, even worse, the competition never begins. If you can't find a gym friend to hold you accountable, consider utilizing a wallet-focused app. Number 3. Shopkick. Shopkick could be a good way to make some extra money for folks who enjoy shopping both in person and online. It's a rebate-based program like Rakuten, but instead of receiving cash, you earn points, called kicks, that you can redeem for gift cards. All you have to do is use Shopkick to create an account, download the app, and complete one or more specified actions. Walking into a store, scanning barcodes of chosen products, purchasing an eligible product with your Shopkick linked card, or watching an in-app movie are just a few of the actions available. With over 250,000 in-person retail locations and 80+ online stores to choose from, locating one near you should be simple. Gift cards to popular merchants such as Starbucks, Amazon, and Target can also be earned. Number 4. Ibotta. Ibotta is yet another app that allows you to earn cash back on both in-store and online purchases. To earn money, you'll need to create a free account and download the app or browser extension, much like the others. After that, you have 3 options for earning cash back. Upload your receipt to the app when you buy qualifying items, attach a store loyalty card to obtain access to special deals before you shop, or make purchases at eligible retailers via the Ibotta app or website. Users can also earn more money by buying gift cards or referring friends to the app. One disadvantage of Ibotta is that you must accomplish tasks within the app in order to use its money-saving features. It is not overly time-consuming, but depending on how much free time you have, it may be a problem. You'll also have to manually upload receipts, and just approximately 300 retailers are eligible. You can, however, have money put directly into your Ibotta account, which you can then withdraw, no checks required. Number 5. Tapestry. Users can earn up to $25 per month by sharing their location data with Tapestry. You don't even have to engage with the app to make money, so it's fully passive. Simply leave it up each month, let it go, and collect your goal funds. You probably already share your location data with dozens of apps on your phone. Think Starbucks, Snapchat, Waze, and just about everything. So why not get paid for it? Tapestry helps big businesses understand more about consumer behavior by combining your anonymous data with the data of thousands of others who have the app loaded. They want to know where you shop, how often you shop, and for how long you shop. This assists brands in determining the most successful strategy to market their items. Number 6. Neighbor. Neighbor users make passive income by storing people's belongings in their spare space in home. You can make passive income with this app if you have a shed, closet, or attic that you aren't using. Renting out your room, like any other kind of passive income, takes some initial time investment. However, by linking you with local tenants, Neighbors takes care of the majority of the work for you. You'll create a listing and prospective tenants will apply to rent your space. You have 48 hours to review the profile of the candidate, ask questions, and make a decision. The reservation will be immediately denied if you do not act within that window. If you can locate a long-term renter, you could make money renting out your underutilized room on a monthly basis. The last app we're going to be looking at is Achievement. Achievement is an excellent app to use if you need more accountability to meet your healthy objectives. If you exercise and keep to a dietary plan, you can double dip and win even more incentives. Other fitness applications such as Fitbit or MyFitnessPal can be synced with this app. Users can earn points that can be redeemed for cash. 10,000 points are worth $10, which you can cash out at your bank or through PayPal. You can also contribute your points to a good cause by donating to charity. Start by synchronizing the Achievement app with your other fitness applications and logging your activity in those apps. If it isn't done automatically, it may take a long time to accumulate enough points to redeem for cash. But think of it as a passive approach to be compensated for being healthy and to provide an incentive to maintain your good habits. These are just a few of the apps that can help you earn money. New apps are released on a regular basis. Just be cautious about what you download and what information you give out. You may begin with many of the apps on this list right now and start making money from your phone in no time, if you don't mind doing the footwork and filling out a bunch of registration forms over the next hour. Which of these apps are you interested in? Let me know down in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope that you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Continue learning about NFT, crypto, and the stock market. I'll see you in the next one.